Hi guys, so today I'm at Mall Taman Anggrek and I'm going to shop at Ikea. So this is just going to be like a normal casual vlog. I recently moved to a new home, so I need to buy some stuff from Ikea. Let's go. By the way, I recently have the money to cut my bank, so what do you guys think? So there you go, Ikea. That's the path to Ikea. Path to Ikea is a bit hidden, I would say, in this mall, but this is the nearest one to from my house, so yeah. Okay, so the Ikea is here, but if I am not mistaken, like, you know how Ikea has this entrance that you must go through the entrance and you can't just skip through it and go to other section. So yeah, we can't really enter from here unless you just want to eat something. So I'm just gonna go downstairs. Tada! Ikea! Now they are having like some sale. Oh wow, this trolley, 50,000 discount. Sorry, yeah, it is 50,000 discount. And then we got this eye cover, only 30,000 Indonesian rupiah. So that is very, very cheap. A lot of items are on discount here, so which is cool. I'm not going to buy like furnitures, by the way, because I already have like a lot of furnitures from my old house, so I kind of just moved them to my new home and that's it. So I'm here to buy like some kitchen stuff because last time I actually borrowed my mom's stuff for the kitchen stuff, and so now since I live alone, I kind of need some kitchen stuff. So let's go to the kitchen stuff. Guys, I am at like one of this home thingy, so it's like home idea, I think what they call it. So this is like an inspiration if you have a tiny house. Actually my home is not that tiny, but I do want to keep it minimalist. So yeah, this is really nice. Actually they got like this sink and everything. Oh, this is nice. Like they have like all the color coordination and everything. Honestly though, it's not about creativity, it's more about money. So if you got a lot of money, you can color coordinate the shit out of everything. Okay, my dream home. This is a kid's room actually. There you go. Oh, that's Panchi's doll. I think they call it like Orang Mama or something like that, which is cool. They say that the Panchi's doll is like sold out everywhere, but honestly I don't think it's sold out here in Indonesia. We still got a lot of the Orang Mama dolls here. This is really nice, by the way. It's like some kind of cabinet. So I have wardrobe just like that one just now. But that one is like the mini size of it for, you know, storing like smaller things. Oh my god, this is the one that I really like. Look at that. It's 3.3 million. Ain't nobody got money for that. Oh my gosh. Like sometimes, okay, not sometimes, but most of the time, I actually really like IKEA stuff, but they're just so expensive. Okay, like actually IKEA has like the cheaper options, but the cheaper options, they reduce the quality as well. So you know, you get what you pay. Oh, this one, it's like a foldable dinner table. Oh, this is nice. They got like a chimpanzee doll too. Ta-da! So I already bought a dinner table, dinner table, what is it called? And I bought the cheapest one, which you can screw and unscrew the legs, so I can always like move it pretty easily. You guys are wondering, this is the bistro. There you go. We got meatballs, of course. We got meatballs, nuggets and stuff, smoked platter. Oh my god, I just got reminded that. So, oh my okay, so I just got reminded that I need to download my Ikea app so that I can redeem the free coffee. It's nice, you know, when you have like the Ikea membership, I think it's called Ikea Family, you can get free coffee. I don't actually drink coffee. Usually I just either drink the tea or drink the soda, or maybe water. Do they have water in the queue? Okay, we are here at the cheap section. At the cheap section. Well, cheaper section. Not really that cheap. I actually bought this the other day. This is really nice. It's like to put your cutleries. It's like it's not too expensive. It has a cover, which is nice. So like I said, there's a sale going on. By the way, this video is not sponsored by Ikea, although I wish they would sponsor me. So I'm not like promoting Ikea sale. I'm just saying there is a sale. Oh, this is cute. I am sometimes tempted. Oh, this is 50,000. Sometimes I'm like tempted to buy some dolls, but then I remember that I often play claw machines, and yeah, I don't have any more space for new dolls. This is fine. What? Only 5,000 discount? That's not worth it. I had last time I worked in a company which they have this as the mug, and I just hate this mug so much because the bottom is like smaller. Like this is what I'm talking about. So usually like Ikea does have cheaper models, but their quality is very much reduced. So it's either the material quality is reduced or the design. The design. I mean, it's true. This is not a libel. Okay, anyway. Oh, they got actually the. Is it not pink? It's beige. They actually got the beige one, but actually I like the gray one better, so I bought the gray one. Yeah, let's go to the place that I actually want to buy. So like I said, I want to buy some kitchen stuff, which is here. We're right here. Oh, this is nice. I like this. I like that they have this silicone thing, because I do have like 2 of these at home. I didn't buy them from Ikea, and they just kind of kept I don't know, maybe it's because I'm clumsy, but they just kind of kept falling off. Oh, what is this? Oh, it's like a not showcase, but it's like they call it turntable. But yeah, you know what I mean. But actually you can use this to decorate cakes. I used to have one in pink color. I am tempted to buy like this wooden material stuff. Actually really, I don't know why, but I really like something made out of wood. I don't know why, I really like wooden stuff, like wooden table, wooden chair, wooden plates. If they have wooden pots, I'd probably buy wooden pots. But you know, wood is not what do you call it, conductor, heat conducting material. Okay, oh, I actually need this, but I don't think I have the money to buy it right now. I'm actually super duper tight on budget, so this is like 300,000, right? And my budget like today, for today only, is less than 100,000. Move. Oh, what is this? It's so pretty. Okay, 2 of the materials I really like, wooden and glass. This vlog is probably going to be somewhat boring because I would not be buying pretty much anything. I actually want to buy this. I actually want to buy like a dish drying thingy. I know that Ikea has the cheap one, but I couldn't find it right now. This one is nice, but I can guess this might be very expensive. Oh yeah, it is very expensive. 300,000 for this in this economy. Guys, I just realized that maybe I don't need to buy this whole thing and just need to buy either this or this, because I actually have the dish drying rack already. It's just that it's like a heater thing, disinfectant, so the lid is broken, so it cannot disinfect anymore. But maybe I can just take out the rack and put it on top of this. I think that works. Okay, let's just get one of these. Oh my god, this is so good. It's giving Victorian. Although I'm pretty sure in the Victorian era they have like much nicer tray. Maybe one day I can do like a house tour and show you guys my new home, since nobody else is living there beside me. Because like when I used to, like in my old home, I lived with my mom, so she doesn't really like to show the house, you know, to strangers, like, because she's a very private person. So that makes sense. So now that I live alone, don't need anyone's permission to show my house, then I could. I'm at the recycle bags section. Oh, they actually have a nice portable umbrella. Portable, foldable, what's it called? Oh, this is nice too. This trash can. Come on now. It's really nice. I mean, I have a trash can already, so I'm not gonna buy anymore. But if I have money, I'm totally replacing my current trash can and bought that one just now. So this is the candles section. Candles and flowers, you know, like one of those dried flowers. Let me try one of those. I always wonder how they smell like. That is my weakness. That is the clearance section. I always go through that thing and ended up buying something I don't really need. This table only 600,000 something. Oh my god, I love this kind of shoe rack where you can like sit on them and you can put the shoes underneath there. This is just really nice. I saw online some other shop, they are selling the covered version, so you can like close it and stuff. Alright guys, you know what I'm getting here? I only get smoola. I only get one thing, which is a miracle, because I didn't actually have anything in particular I want to buy right now. So yeah, at first I want to buy the dish rack, but the dish rack is like not available, so I bought this instead, which is, I think it might work. Oh my god, this is, I like this packaging so much. It's like giving like, what is it called, the art movement called, I don't know, but you know what, it reminds me of like Pantone's swatches, which is cool. Anyway guys, that's actually all of my IKEA journey and vlog. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.